Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain one mobile banking app review to save it worth using. The One Mobile Banking app is a digital banking platform that combines spreading and saving features into a single account. It offers benefits like monthly or overdraft fee, cashback, rewards on eligible debit purchases, and competitive interest rate on saving. User can create multiple pockets to organize their savings goal. To access premium features such as higher saving rate and a mobile check deposit, customers need to receive at least $100 in direct deposit monthly. So the app is user-friendly and provide access to a large network of fee-free ATM. So the One app is a solid choice for those compatible with online banking and seeking a fee-free account with savings and checkback benefit. However, some users have reported issues with customer support and account access. So if you rely on in-person banking service or require features like wire transfer and paper check, this app might not be your need. And that's it.